Hello guys, today I received this fitness tracker. It is made from our friends of FITVII. This model is called the Olay, okay? It has an AMOLED on it and it can help you watch your heart rate, your blood oxygen, your blood pressure, your sleep. It can actually help you count your calorie count, your step count, and much more. Let's go ahead and unbox it. Let's go ahead and see what comes inside. So inside the box, we're gonna find our fitness tracker right here. The band, it is very soft to the touch. Okay, it feels like silk. This is going to be a very comfortable tracker. Comes with an instruction manual. Also, it tells you what app you need to download to actually connect to your fitness tracker. And also, it will have your USB charger. Okay, it's a USB-A to a magnetic charger. This is only made for this fitness tracker. Okay, so the app is called Fit Cloud Pro. We're gonna go ahead and open it, okay, and we're gonna go ahead and sign in using our details. If you don't have an account, then you need to create. Okay guys, so in order to bind your device, you're gonna go ahead and click right here on device and then add peripheral now, and you're gonna search. And you're going to be provided with a QR code that the app will recognize. Okay, you're going to go ahead and agree, and that's simple. You're going to be able to pair your watch. Okay, so let me just allow a couple permissions here, and now we can go ahead and control our settings of the watch on the app. Okay, so now once you have it paired, you can actually see all the options that you have. You have your workout records, you have your sleep records, you have your heart rate records, your blood pressure, you have your blood oxygen, rate right here, record, okay? So you have a lot of options. On the watch, you're gonna be able to see all these features, okay? I'm just gonna wear it. You're gonna be able to scroll to the right, okay? And you're gonna get all your menu. On the menu, you have the data, the workouts, the sleep, all those sensors that I just told you about, messages. You can actually check your messages. If you get an incoming message, you're gonna get it right here as a notification on your watch, okay? You can actually find your phone with this watch, okay? So let me go ahead and just click it, and right there, it's actually finding my phone. Okay, if we scroll to the left, we're gonna find the record of the calorie count. We're gonna find the steps and the moves. Okay, you can actually just navigate through them and be able to get access to those records easier. Now you can also play your music from here. There you go. I mean, you have all these controls from your wrist, okay? You don't have to actually get your phone out. You can actually do all this from your wrist. Your fitness tracker, you can actually scroll up and get your messages right there, or scroll down and get different options and settings that you can actually control from your watch. Definitely a great option, to get, because, it's very small, it's compact, I mean, it's very comfortable to wear it. You can actually track your sleep with this. It's definitely a great fitness tracker to have, okay? I hope that the information in this video was helpful. I definitely want to thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.